It's second language acquisition time, and today I'm writing with a blue marker. Hello and welcome to Happy Japanese Time! Today, because last time I really didn't talk to you much actually about Japanese, so today I'm going to jump straight into Japanese grammar. Isn't that exciting? I think that's exciting and awesome because it just is really awesome. So, I bet you're thinking, I can't learn Japanese. Japanese is really hard. I'm not going to be able to do it at all. Well, I think you need to step up and pay a little more attention to the fact that I think you're smarter than you think. Because Japanese has actually some similarities to English. The language that we speak. For instance, Japanese has many of the same parts of speech as English. For instance, whoa, what's this? Japanese has nouns? Yes. Japanese has nouns. Oh my, look. Here you have hon. And hon means book in Japanese. Book, the word book in English is a noun. The word hon in Japanese is a noun. See? Nouns and nouns. Now look. Adjectives. Oi. Oi means blue in Japanese. Blue in English is an adjective. Blue in Japanese, an adjective. Both languages have adjectives. Whoa! Now let's see. Okay, right here, a verb. What's this? Des. Des is a verb. In English, it translates to be, or is, or am. Whoa! We use that a lot in English. So I bet we use that a lot in Japanese. We do use that a lot in Japanese. And a verb. Well, speaking of verbs, adjectives, and nouns, there is something that we should talk about. Yes, we should talk about something within the Japanese sentence structure. Yes. Unlike Japanese, there is one thing that English does. English is a subject-verb-object language. And that means that the subject goes in front of the verb, which comes in front of the object. For instance, if we were to say, the book is blue in English, we would say, the book is blue. Yay, just like the marker I'm using, blue. The book is blue. So in this, you have the book, which is the subject, then you have is, which is the verb, and then you have the word blue, which is the object. However, in Japanese, you don't use this form. Instead, you use this form. X wa y desu. And this is to show that something is something, or in this case, X is Y. So let's have an example. In Japanese, the word for book is hon, if you remember. So first, we write hon. Hon is the subject, just like X right here. Hon wa, hon wa, hon wa, then Y. Y is the object. In this case, the object is blue. So we write aoi. Hon wa aoi. And then at the end, we put this, the verb, which means to be or is. So this whole sentence is hon wa aoi desu. Now, you might be wondering what on earth this wa is. Well, wa is known as a particle in Japanese. Now, what on earth is a particle? Well, we don't really have particles in English. So, when I told you earlier that things in Japanese were in English, well, I kind of lied to you. So, sorry about that. But here you are, a particle. Now, this is basically telling you that hon is the subject, or basically the topic, more specifically, of the sentence. And so, wa, if you see a wa, you know that the word before it is pretty important to the sentence. And again, let's review. Hon wa aoi desu. The book is blue. Thank you for Happy Japanese today.